Welcome to Wizert.com. I'm maths teacher Aditi. We have this question here. In how many ways can five children and a couple be seated on a bench if the couple should be together? Now there are total 7 persons. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. Now there are 5 children C1, C2, C3, C4, C5 and 2 members of a couple. A couple means 2 persons, right? So 2 members of couple means M1 and M2. Now the condition is that couple should be together. So we can consider both of them as one person only. So what we can do is we can consider there are 6 different people C4, C5 and M. So these are our 6 people. Now there are 6 factorial ways, 6 factorial different ways, 6 factorial different ways, different ways, different ways for 6 people to sit, people to sit. Now members of this couple, that is M1 and M2, can be seated 2 factorial different ways among each other. For example, if I put something like this C1, C2, M, C3, C4, C5. Okay, now this is one of the combinations 6 people can be seated in. So in this combination, members of couple M1, M2, I can make them sit like this or I can make them sit like this, M1, M2 over here. But in alternate combination C1, C2, C3, C4, C5 and M2, M1. So this combination is different from this combination. Right? These are two different combinations. Similarly, C1, C2, M2, M1, C3, C4 and C5. So again, this combination is different from this combination. So two members of this couple can be seated in 2 factorial different ways together. They can change their places among each other. There are 2 factorial different ways for two members of the couple to be seated. So since we want combination of these two conditions, the total number of ways, thus total number of ways required seating arrangement can be fulfilled filled is multiplication of these two, that is 6 factorial multiplied by 2 factorial, which is equal to, we know 6 factorial is 720 and 2 factorial is 2, so that is equal to 1440 different ways for these people to sit. So answer is option C, 1440 ways.